Park sa Davao. So, yung mga dancer.
A round of applause for the parade of the animal ambassadors. With a wingspan that could reach up to 2 meters. Ang kanilang mga pakpak, lalo ng the Latin word rapier, meaning to seize or to drag away. Now, sinotis po, Kuya Cyril natin is wearing a protective glove because all raptors have sharp. And what is the largest eagle in the Philippines? Now, girl, show us what you've got. And there you go. And one more time, girl, show us your wings. And there you go. And folks, as part of beauty's enrichment, you can actually see Kakatos do that in the wall po, no? To ease their boredom. And just like any other parrots, Beauty here has what we call zygodactyl. Ano may zygodactyl nga ba? Papakita yan ni Beauty by grabbing her treats. Now, Beauty girl, there you go. So in the front, so in the back, allowing them to grab item. And thank you so much, Beauty, for showing us. They can stand up using their 2 hind legs like a bear po. Napapakita yan ni Uno. Up, 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 Uno. And there you go. That is their 2 hind.
Oh, there's a bat. Yeah. Cockatoo. Not peacock, cockatoo. They're not peacock na yan.
No, I think that one's a peacock.
Peacock? Look, there's snake. Ooh. Yan. Ito guys, oh, tingnan ninyo yung crocodile. Ang lalaki nila. Dito yun sa Davao Crocodile Park. Oh my gosh, ang dami nila. Yun. 'Di ba? They look scary. Yay! That one is big one. Look at them. Yay!